Okay, hi all. I think it's running. Is it running? Yeah. This is Carmen, and um, this video I'm going to show you two tiny things I've made. Um, I'm creating stuff, but um, mm, I think it's too busy in my head at the moment. I've got lots of ideas, but I don't finish stuff. So I have all things laying around, and that's half made and not finished. So what I'm going to do is um, I'm going to finish something and then take the next creation that I have to finish. Otherwise, yeah, it's all laying around. No, I have to look for some kind of balance and write down ideas. And yeah, okay. So if you have suggestions to get it in order, then I will be happy to hear or read your thoughts and ideas and in the comments below. What are you doing to keep yourself organized? Um, okay. What I want to show you is a tiny shadow box that I've made, that I finished, and an envelope pocket flip book. I saw a tutorial, I think 2 weeks ago, at the channel from Septeria 18, and I thought, oh, that would be nice to include in a flip, um, in an envelope flip book, or envelope a tag flip. Yes, a tag flip, and going to show you what I've done, and I think I'm going to include it in a tag flip, but yeah, it, I hope it's not getting too bulky, but I'm trying stuff, so I love that. So I'm making tags, envelopes, um, those little flip book that I've done, and try to make it in one tag envelope flip book. Yeah. um, but I show you that the whole flip tag flip envelope. I don't have a name for it, but maybe in a few weeks when I finished it. um, okay, going to show you what I've made. Lately, I'm into the shadow boxes, the tiny ones. That's the die that I've bought on AliExpress. I made several that I gifted during the holidays for family. Yeah, I wanted to make a tiny project, so I pulled out my paper that I didn't use for a while and made this shadow box. And I turned it. So normally it's like this, or I mean like this, but there's a hole in the back. But I turned it. I only have to put a thread to hang this, or I will see how I'm going to do that. I use paper that I didn't use a long time ago, and or that I did use but a long time ago. So it's so yeah, nice colors, I think. And I put in I think it's a fox and a raccoon in there, and yeah, and put some very festive paper on there. Just nice colors. I love those colors. And this is the pink and rainbow that I put on there, and these are dies that I've got from AliExpress, and I made the flowers and put it on here, and I put some enamel dots on there, and yeah, I like it. It keeps my mind off of things, and I love creating them. They are very fast. Yeah, and nice to give. Only have to put here or somewhere something on here that says happy birthday or congratulations or whatever. But yeah, I love it. These are the dies. I'm going to show you. I have to get them. I'm not really prepared again. Oh. That's not me. Maybe it is. Look, oh yeah. Here. This one I got on AliExpress. I will put the link in the description box below. There are different kinds, but I got this one and a tinier one, and that's good for me. Yeah, so that's that one. And I'm going to show you the envelope and pocket flip book that I've made. I put a link to the tutorial from Septeria 18 in the description box below, and this is my version of her envelope pocket flip book. I also wrapped baker's twine around it, and she put hearts on under there, and I put flowers on there with hearts. It's all wrapped around as a closure, and it looks like this. These hearts that I've used, I used a strawberry on here with bling. This is a joy die that I've got. Put a bow on here and a heart. And I use paper that I have in my stash from a local store for a long time. And I love that paper. And it's so, yeah, cute. And when you open it, it has the envelope that I've made. Oh, sorry for the shaking. I put these banners on here. I put this cake on here. I think I've got the stickers from Marilyn. So thank you, Marilyn. That I've got from her in the swap. And there's a doily under here. I love that color. And I put all kinds of tags in here as a gift. And then over here, there's a mason jar that I've got from Evelyn. So thank you, Evelyn. And the cherry. And the cherry I've got also from Marilyn in the swap. And I put this die cut on the side. It's from the Action, the border die at the heart. And in here, I made a tag, so it has a space where you can put your tag in. And this is a Marianne design tag. I love it. You have it also on Ali, but it's a copy. This is the original is from Marianne Design. And I put also a heart and this leaves on there, and it's yeah, has to be a strawberry, a bling strawberry. I put a heart on there. Yep, that's a tag. Okay, and then you turn it, and I made a pocket on here, and the pocket has also the same flowers as this one. Put a strawberry on there. I made made a border floor. No, it's a doily border from Martha Stewart. I use it quite a lot. And I put all kinds of text in there. The recipient can use. I made a shaker. I think it's very thick, but oh well, I love it. I made a shaker, and that says love. This is a Mariana design tag die, I mean, and yeah, I used dotted paper and the word love on there that I die cut it. I don't know what the brand is, but I think you know. And these banners I put on here, and then you have the back. I made a pocket also, and I used a border, stitched border, and it has cherries on there. I put some kind of text again on the back. So this is the tiny booklet that I've made. What I want to do is, I have to watch what I put in here. I want to make a hole here and put some thread or some chain in here and put it like this with the other tags and envelopes like that. But yeah, it's a little bit bulky, but oh well. I will have to buy a bigger ring to attach everything together. Okay, so this is what I've made for so far that I've finished. I have some projects laying around. I have a project finished. I have to make a video about that. But I have to know if my swap partner is finished. Okay, so that's it. I will put a link to the tutorial in the description box below. I will put the link to the shop in the description box below. And I'll see you next time when I finish something. Okay, bye.